Hi friends, welcome back to the Red Brick Cottage. I'm so happy to share this week's DIY, and not just because it's the simplest DIY I've ever done, but also because I got to partner with the folks at Stellar Air. They create custom, made-to-order decorative vent covers that fit a variety of home aesthetics. But before I reveal the design we chose, I've got to remove the old grill. Now, this is a bit of a jump scare because our vents are dirty. Thankfully, we have a central filter on our furnace to keep all that gunk out of our diffusers and our air. A little bit of cleanup work here, and now for the big reveal. Because our home was built in 1959, we went for their mid-century French pavilion pattern. And install is so incredibly easy because their team recommended the magnetic system. So with just a few taps, it inserts into the existing frame. Look how pretty! This vent has been an eyesore for me ever since we moved in, and we're thrilled with the transformation.